Hello, commercial drivers. I am with Fleet Safety.
Winter roads don't forgive mistakes. Snow, storms, and high winds can turn a routine haul into a dangerous ride. Here's how to stay safe. Rule number 1: slow down. Speed limits don't apply when traction disappears. Safety beats deadlines. Rule number 2: tires and chains. Proper tread and chains in snow zones keep you rolling instead of sliding. Rule number 3: watch the wind. Empty trailers act like sails. If gusts are strong, park it until safe. Rule number 4: check forecasts. Storms move fast. Know before you go and reroute if needed. Rule number 5: visibility. Clear lights, working wipers, and defrosters are your lifeline in blizzards. Rule number 6: rest smart. Hours of service rules matter more in bad weather. Fatigue plus storms is a deadly mix. Extreme weather isn't a test of toughness, it's a test of judgment. Stay safe, stay compliant, and keep America moving. For more safety videos, follow us at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Fleet Safety Management. Thank you.